Hello, for my first video I wanted to take a look at Age of the Primes Deluxe Class Air Raid. Let's start with the figure itself. I like the face sculpt, it's good. I kinda do not love the paint, like the whole head is painted, but whatever. You can see details on his chest, that cool Autobot insignia, this is painted. Now, arms, some nice detail. Not that detail, but you can see, get it here. There's some detail. Now, some for the back. Cool cockpit. Everything compacts well. That's what I like. Now, waist, nothing too much. This should have been white, but whatever. No details here, but some cool details on the legs. I really like this little bit of red. I love it. It just breaks the color so well. Then, before I get into articulation, let me attach these. Get two of them here. Now you attach them into here. The second one, see, wait, no, correct side. Done. Now for his articulation. His head can spin around 360. Look up, not so much down. You can get extra bit of looking up with this, but it's really ugly. His arms go about that far out. You can do technically 360, but the wing gets in the way. You have rotation here, 360 degrees. Elbow bend something over 90. Nothing at wrist because the transformation. You can turn his whole waist around. I thought you couldn't, that there was not enough space here, but looks like you can. Now his legs go kick forward that far, basically 90. Kick out that far in the side, 90, and back 90, if you can line up everything well. Now, okay, for the legs you can detach this, do this, have some cool poses, and because of that the feet can go up that far, and some insane ankle swivel. This is insane. He gets two guns that cannot attach one to another. Sorry. They look good in his hands. I like them. He's just cool with them. Yeah. Now for transformation. Prepare everything. And now this will go into here and this into here. Wait, let me get closer. This will go in here and this will go in here. You attach them like this. Arms, you would want to bring this in like that. Same for the other side. And now this and this will connect, securing the whole arm. We'll turn his head 180 degrees like this. It looks like this. Now disconnect this piece, bring it out. Same for this. Bring the feet in, holding it, and this will tap into this nicely. Some really cool detail here. That's what I love. Now, when you get this, this piece and this piece will connect. You have to line this to be straight, his waist and upper body. You have to align it to be straight, nothing much. Then you bring this wing out, which will automatically connect this and this piece, this inside, this one, like this. Same for the other side. Now we'll bring out the cockpit by disconnecting it and wobbling it out till it loosens here. You straighten this out and pull on it until it clicks nicely. And now you would hinge this and wobble it, combine war style, put it like this, and just align everything. I didn't align everything well. Done. Bring this wing and this wing piece out. Now turn these 180 degrees. They were like this, and you turn them 180 degrees to this. Cool plane mode. And if you want him standing, you can bring this piece out. And there's a little wheel here, like an actual plane. I love it. Definitely love it. There's some nice detail. These Autobot insignia and white wings really, but really look cool. Cockpit, well, see, like I paint chipped this a little. This most of because he fell once for me, and I prefer this being like this. You can store his weapons. Well, you can, if you really want, plug them in here, but I do not like it. You plug it into here. And the only annoying thing I have with this figure is that if you push this a little, yeah, like this, it's like those weird ratchets you can see on some figures. I really like the plane. Not everything is good about it. The back, or more like when you turn it around. Yeah, not so great. Let's look. Oh, nice. Let's look into the combiner mode. I'm just take off these guns. I'm pretty sure that the combine mode will be configure this back like this. Bring the cockpit. Don't tap it in because you can easily pull the head out and wait, then tap it in. I didn't align it properly. There you go. Bring this wing out and this wing out. This is the combine mode. Cool leg. Definitely a cool leg. Kind of square from the front, but on the back, nicely done. Really nicely done. And I can only think that to combine, you would tap right into here and into here. I really like him. Getting new figures, I can only say about Transformers figures, they're getting more perfect and perfect. I see less and less imperfections the new figures I get. I really like that they're progressing overall. And now, before I end everything, let's check out new boxes. As you can see, mine is some bad condition. Although nice specs here. Superion, 1 out of 5 collect to combine. You can see it in the back. The 13, Aerialbot Air Raid, some product shots. Wait, I just noticed. This is a scam. You see? There's no about insignia here. What is this talking about? I swear I just saw it now. Never mind. For accessories, warning small parts. The accessory? Yes. Includes figure in 4 pieces. Nothing interesting. Hup. And I like that they brought this back. This makes me really like the boxes. So, this was my look at Age of the Primes Aerialbot Air Raid. Goodbye. I hope you loved this video, and I'd appreciate liking and subbing. Bye.